Hi, I'm Sharley and I'm the lead educator for Curlsmith.
And I'm Jennie Roberts and I'm Curlsmith Global Brand Ambassador.
Today we're going to be looking at signs that you've got wavy hair. So if we take a look at Claudia's hair, we've allowed it to air dry. And if we just look at the structure of the hair and the strands and the shape, so you can see it's just like a loose S-shaped formation.
Yeah.
And that's how you can identify that you've got wavy hair. So as we know, when we talk about wavy hair, there's different types, isn't there? There's tight waves, medium waves, loose waves.
Smooth waves, fuzzy waves.
Yeah. So, you know, if you're not used to, or if you don't know you have wavy hair, you might look at your hair like this and think, oh, it's a bit frizzy, it's a bit fluffy, I need to smooth it over. But actually, the sign that you have wavy hair, as stated before, is that loose S-shaped formation.
Yeah.
So I'll definitely say Claudia's got more of a looser wave.
Yeah, she has. And with a little bit of smoothness and manipulation, we can really emphasise that and make it look fabulous. Because you can see she's got loads of volume, hasn't she? And it's that S shape that actually gives the width to the hair as well, rather than the hair just being straight. It gives it volume, which sometimes can be mistaken for being frizzy, but it's actually not. Moving on to Prash's waves, she has quite deep waves. And it's not unusual to have different textures of waves running through an entire head. Here she has looser waves and tighter waves. And if you look at this through here, you can see how deep that wave is, which will just give a really lovely effect once we've dried her hair.
Taking a look at Laura's hair, you can see we've got that S-shaped formation still, but it's more of a medium wave.
Yeah, it's just like a medium, isn't it? And because she's got coarser hair than our other models, it kind of gives it more body, doesn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Gives a whole vibe, much more body, because her hair is coarser rather than being fine. Yeah, it looks fabulous.
If you look at Taya's hair, a lot of people with this texture would say it's frizzy, it's fluffy, it just needs smoothing out. But actually, if you take a close look at it, you can see it's got that very subtle, looser wave.
Yeah, but it's there.
Yeah.
It's still there, and so we
wave.
can manipulate it to get those waves going really nicely, but smooth, and actually giving the hair more body. And in a way, making it easier for the person wearing it rather than fighting it all the time.
Exactly, go with it rather than against it.
Yeah.
So the more you style it, the more defined it will get and the wavier it will get.
Thank you for watching.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.